Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see amdocs for female candidate who are all from graduated in 2022. They can apply. The eligible criteria will be Bachelor in Computer CS IT and equivalent. Gender will be female only. They mention 2022 passed out, 60% all academics. What you will love this job challenging. This is under a description. I think there we can see the one sentence on what all the things is a major thing they mentioned here. Reason for it work from Amdos they mentioned from starting to ending. Why you just want to work on Amdos is a building provider platform and inspiring people through the company environment. You are going to work in including AIT, T-Mobile and Vodafone client and 600 plus learning film short studios they are providing. Help drive partnership work with Amazon, IBM, Google, Microsoft industry. Largest end-to-end development department enrollment. Diverse and include the work environment, creating sustainable product and services, and development, learn and upskill yourself. And thus all this all that hiring companies and this all part-time companies, those who tie up with the Amdos platform, they are going to handle with the client and the technologies which you are going to use. Just want to click here apply now button. Sorry, your page is trying to execute, so I'll provide the current link in the description. It's open now. They mentioned there and they are giving here only. So don't worry guys, this is all engineering opportunity corporate ITs. They mentioned here based on your eligibility criteria you can apply. If you are filling in this form any doubt comment me in the comment section. This is subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this channel.